In this video, how to organize Lego sets. Hello everyone, my name is Sam. Welcome to Brain Vice, building your Lego knowledge. If you want Lego tips just like this, make sure to subscribe and click the bell so you can be notified of new Lego tips from the Brain Vice YouTube channel. And today I'm going to tell you how to organize Lego sets. One way to organize Lego sets is by theme. For example, Lego City, Lego Ninjago, Lego Star Wars. Another way to organize Lego sets is by year. For example, 2020, 2019, 2017. Another way to organize Lego sets is by month. For example, August, June, July. Another way to organize Lego sets is by season. For example, winter, summer, spring. Another way to organize Lego sets is by size. For example, small, medium, big. And I'll see you next time.